Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot, and welcome into another video in my Keep Haircutting Simple series. Haircutting's supposed to be simple. Haircutting's supposed to be fun. Let's not make it complicated. Let's keep it simple. Thanks for being here. Comment on the video, like the video, share the video, turn on your notifications, subscribe to the channel, never miss a video. Thank you so very much. Today, I want to talk about the term stationary guide. When cutting hair, we use sections. Within sections, we create subsections. Within subsections, we create partings. And initially, a parting can become my guide. I'm going to take a parting at the top of the head right here. This is a small subsection. It is about 2 inches across. It is about 1/4 inch thick. At the top of the head, I am going to comb this up. I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to determine my cutting length right there. I'm making it short so it'll be visual. I want to explain to you now the concept of a stationary guide. At the top of the head, anywhere on the head, a stationary guide can exist. But for our purposes, at the top of the head, I created that top little guide. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a subsequent parting and I'm going to bring it to the guide. The guide remains stationary. This guide was coming up and out and off of the head at 90 degrees. The hair that I've added is moving to the guide. The guide stays in one place, stationary, and the hair that I'm cutting moves to that stationary guide. All of my standard rules apply. Create a guide, follow the guide, don't lose, and don't cut the guide. I can see my guide. I'm going to come in now, and I'm going to cut to my stationary guide. Comb it up, hold it up, cut it off, don't lose, and don't cut the guide. What you'll notice here is that because this hair traveled to the guide, it's going to be slightly longer. The shorter of these two pieces is the stationary guide piece. The hair that moved over to the stationary guide is therefore slightly longer. As I move down the head, the point of origin, the point from which the hair is attached to the head, moves farther away from my stationary guide. Therefore, each subsequent piece of hair that is brought up to the guide will get a little bit longer. That's the principles behind a stationary guide. It remains stationary, and the hair moves to it to get cut. This is the Keep Haircutting Simple series. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Like the video, comment on the video, share the video with a friend in the haircutting business, turn on your notifications, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you again here soon for another Keep Haircutting Simple video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.